When it comes to crafting the perfect ambiance in your living space, every detail counts. One often underestimated element that plays a pivotal role in interior design is window treatments. Let's join the experts at Window Treats to learn how thoughtful selection and placement of window treatments can significantly contribute to the style and mood of your space.
Not dressing your windows can be really a big mistake. 35% of your energy is lost through the glass. You save on air conditioning, you save on heating bills just by putting a shade at your window. And then of course they make your room beautiful, so why wouldn't you do it? In today's time, security is also a very big reason to have something on your windows so that you can close down the house and people can't see in. Usually people have a beautiful view, and so they want to see out into the garden, they want to see the trees, they want to see if they have a water view. And so people they walk into their house, a new house that's all glass and it's beautiful and lit, and they say, oh wow, I don't need any window treatments. But once they're living in the house, they realize they need privacy, they need security, they need it to warm up the house. Otherwise you have echoes. So the drapery and shades or the fabric absorb sound, make everything cozy and warm, and aesthetically add so much to the house and make it homey.
Accurate measurements contribute to the functionality, aesthetics, and efficiency of your window treatments.
The proper way to measure is with a steel tape like a Fat Max, because it's a thick 1.5-inch blade that can extend out almost 12 feet without bending. We also today use a laser measurer. When you have these 2-3-story windows, very wide expanses, you need to do it with a laser. We measure to 1/8 of an inch. We measure shutters to 1/16 of an inch. We measure very exactly. And when we're measuring, we're looking for obstacles. We're looking for where outlets are. We're looking where air conditioning vents, heating vents, light switches. So now when you tell me you want the drapery to be 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch of the floor, or touching the floor, I need to have those very exact measurements. We use an app and we take a picture of the window, picture of the wall, and we measure the wall architecturally. And then I can do whatever I want, whatever the designer or the architect requests, we have those measurements to be able to do it. So going to a big box store, their sizes are every few inches. We make our products to 1/8 of an inch. So it measures exactly what you need in width and height instead of, fitting something in to what you have.
Whether your style is classic, contemporary, or eclectic, there's a perfect window treatment to enhance and harmonize with your chosen design scheme.
As a designer, over the years, you can take a room and transform it with window treatments. And I'd like to explain, because if you have 3 identical rooms and put 3 completely different treatments on them, it will, direct the room in a different manner. It could be more formal, it could be more coastal, it could be modern, it could be romantic, and it really brings it home. It really brings it together as a final destination of what the room says. The variety of window treatments is immense. There are obviously a million fabrics, so if you're doing drapery, that could really dictate the feel of the room just by having drapery, but bringing in and pattern mixing creates a whole nother feel. We bring the punch in and the interest in and the direction of the feel of the room through patterns. I happen to be a very big fan of pattern mixing. You could bring in leopard, you could bring in chevron, you could bring in stripes, you could bring in checks. You can make them all work together if you know what you're doing, and it really gives a very unique, very highly designed look to the room and feel. If you want to go with a cleaner, more modern look, there are many choices of very interesting blinds and screen shades and banded materials that are available today. What I'm really excited about is the outdoor trend. There are outdoor curtains for porticos, for cabanas. There are awnings, there are outdoor shades for, patios. They're magnificent.
Today, a big trend is motorization and home automation. We can motorize any product in our Hunter Douglas collection. We can motorize any drapery. We can motorize any Roman shade. And then those will integrate into home automation systems. And you could have it where you don't even have to touch your shades at all, and they will go up and down every day by themselves.
Every element plays a crucial role in shaping the character of a room, and window treatments are no exception.
Elegance and creating elegance in a room and the aesthetic of making the room warm and cozy is one of our goals. We want you to walk into the room and feel like you're at home, feel great after a long day of work, coming home and just relaxing, kicking off your shoes, sitting down and feeling the ambiance and the elegance and the aesthetics that the window treatments add to a room. The greatest compliment that someone can give us is when we install a window treatment, they tell us they feel like it was always here.
Want to know more about window treats? Visit CustomDraperyandShades.com and visit us at designingspaces.tv.